Assalamualaikum. My name is Firzanah Binti Mazlan.
And my name is Mohamad Hakim bin Azam.
Today we're gonna present you about our program. First, we're gonna look at our program one. In this program round, we're gonna use TCP protocol. And then the program is about client will sending his or her IP address to server. And then the server will display the IP address of client on his or her screen. So this is our program one. First, we're gonna input our list. And then you're gonna go to the CD program. And also we open the CD program one on the other terminal. Next, I'm gonna show you our list in the program. In the list, we have client.c and client.python. For the server, we have server.c and server.python. Next, I'm gonna go to nano server.c. Okay, so here is the coding for nano server.c. For the other terminal, we're gonna open the client.c. And here are the client.c coding. Right. Next, we're gonna go to the server Python. As you can see, these are the things inside server.python, the coding. And then next, at another terminal, we're also gonna go to our client.python. So there are the coding. And next, we're gonna compile all the coding for the server and the client. As you can see, there's no error for both server and client here. Next, we're gonna run both the server and the client.
Alright. As you can see here, we already ran the server and the client. So as you can see here, we're gonna enter string. As you can see here, socket successfully create connected to the server, which means we betul my bad. The socket in the server has successfully create, and the server is already listening to the client. So we're gonna enter the IP address 192.168.110.129, and then as you can see here, the server already accept the IP address, and we're gonna send it back to the client. So anything IP address 192.168.10.110. This is just an example from the server. Okay, as you can see here, the client is already accept. So that's all for program one. Thank you so much.
Okay, next we're gonna go to the program 2.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shahmil Helmi Bin Mohd, and I will present about program 2, which is we use a UDP protocol. In this program, the server will sending the current time to the client. After that, the client will display the current time sent by the server, and then the client will send a thank you message input by user. After that, the server will receive message and display on the screen. Okay, we go to the terminal. I use two terminal here, one for server and one for client. Okay, first we need to do, go to the file directory here, cd program. Okay, this coding for server. For the server, I use C programming language. Okay, as you can see here, there is data declaration, and then we create a UDP socket. Okay, after that, this a function to receive the input from the user here. Okay, this function is coding to send a current time to the client. Okay, after that, this function will send the response to the client. Okay, we go to the client. Okay, for the client, I use, sorry. Okay, for the client, I use Python programming language. So as you can see here, the first function is create a UDP socket. Okay, after that, this server address will connected to the client, which is the IP address is 10.0.2.15, and the port is 12,000. Okay, after that, after it respond to the server, it will send the message connected to the client, and then send data. The client will receive connected to the server. Okay, this function is to receive a response which is a current time here, to receive a current time. After that, client will allow to enter the input, which is thank you message. Okay, and then it will send to the server here, and finally socket close. Okay, we compile the UDP server first, and then we run the server. Okay, we use Python 3 to compile the client. Okay, as you can see here, the server is connected to the client, and the client is connected to the server. Current time is Saturday 15 Jan 2022, 3:45 AM. This is a current time, and then it will send to the client here, and the client will receive the current time Saturday 15 Jan 2022, 3:45 AM, and then user can input thank you message to the server. Okay, after that, it will display thank you message at the server screen here. So that is for program 2. Thank you.